Hello, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song The Way by Pat Barrett. This song was requested by patron Michael King. Thank you, Michael, for the song suggestion. If you would like to leave your song suggestion, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page, where I take all of my patron suggestions. Now, before I break this song down and explain it to you, I'm going to play through it all the way first, and then afterwards I'll break it down and explain it. So make sure to stick around for that, but for now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
Through every battle, through every heartbreak, through every circumstance, I believe that you are my fortress, you are my portion, you are my hiding place. I believe you are the way, the truth, the light. I believe you are the way, the truth, the light. I believe through every blessing, through every promise, through every breath I take. I believe that you are provider, you are protector, you are the one I love. I believe you are the way, the truth, the light. I believe you
now before I break this song down, if you want to check out the chord chart for the song, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page. Now, for this song, I'm going to be using the C chord family, but I'm playing with my capo on the 2nd fret, so that puts me in the key of D, even though we're using the C chord family. Okay, so for the chords, we have just the regular C major. We have an F over C, and this is a great F alternative when you're playing in the key of C because you don't have to bar anything. So I highly recommend you learn this F over C. We also have an A minor 7, which is exactly like the C. We just remove our 3rd finger, and we're there at the A minor 7. Okay, and then we also have a G that shows up in the bridge. And that's pretty much it for their chords. So very, very simple for this song. We just got those 4 chords. For the strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which we have 4 down strums and then an up strum after beat 4, and then we repeat. We also want to make sure we're putting emphasis on beat 1 and 3, so that's every other beat we're strumming harder. Okay, so if I just hold that C and play that strum pattern, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. So you'll notice for beat 2 and 4, I'm strumming really soft, and really I'm just plucking like 1 or 2 strings along the top. Also something to keep in mind, like for instance, the C chord, we're not going to be playing that low E string. So the first string we're plucking is the A string. You can also use your thumb just to touch that low E string on top to mute it so it doesn't resonate while you're strumming. Some people find that hard to get their thumb across the top, so you don't have to do that. If you can't get your thumb across to mute that string, you just got to be a little bit more accurate with your strumming. Make sure you start your strumming on the A string, because that's the first note we should hear when we're playing the C. It's the same thing with the F chord and the A minor 7 chord. The only time we want to hit that low E string is on the G chord. Okay, so when we're playing that strum pattern on beat 2 and 4, I'm strumming really lightly on beats 2 and 4. I'm just plucking again like 1 or 2 strings. And sometimes for beat 2, I don't even hit any strings. Okay, and again, it's not a hard set rule here. The point is that we're going to strum harder on 1 and 3 and soft on 2 and 4, okay, to create those dynamics of loud, soft, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it for this song. You know, when we're starting out here from the beginning for verse 1, let's see, I believe the chords are going to, something to keep in mind too, if you look at the chord chart, the first note, the first chord, C, shows up on the word battle, okay? So we have through every battle. Okay, so the word battle, that's where the first C comes in. So something you want to do, and I do this for almost all the songs I play, is you want to play that root note of the chord for a couple of measures before you start singing. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be my C. I'm just going to play C for like 2 measures. To every battle. Okay, and then I'll start singing. And that allows me to set the key. It allows me to set the tempo. So when I come in, I'm coming in at the right speed and the right key, okay, with my voice. So yeah, you want to come in, and then we're going to play, each chord is going to be played for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so every chord lasts 2 measures, and I believe that's the way it works all the way through this song. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this whole song. Every chord is lasting for 2 measures, so it's nice and easy for memorization. Everything is just 2 measures long. So yeah, it's a nice, easy song to get into, because there's nothing too complicated going on in here. So wish you the best of luck. If you do have any questions with playing this song, you can feel free, again, to head over to the Patreon post of this video, and you can make some comments there or post your questions there. I answer all of my patrons' questions, and hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next song tutorial. All right, take care.